morning everyone. Once again I welcome to the online classes of the numerical analysis. And as you know, in the last class we discussed the concept of the Muller's method. And now here we are going to discuss the last topic in our first unit. Okay. So now write on now. Put a side heading solution of system of non-linear equations. Non-linear equations. Okay, now first of all here I will say the procedure, and after this you can. Okay, so the solution to system of non-linear equations. So in this non-linear, so now here we are going to find the solution to the system of non-linear equations. So non-linear equations, we have to take these equations and we have to find the solution in two methods. So one is method of iteration. Write down first one. The method of iteration. Method of iteration. Second one, Newton Raphson method. Newton Raphson method. So these type of equation can be solved in two ways. First one is method of iteration and the second one is Newton Raphson method. Now put a side heading method of iteration. Method of iteration. So now here write down in this now first of all I will give write down first of all. Consider the system of two equations f of x comma y, g of x comma y both are equal to 0. Okay, this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Next, the equation 1 and 2 can be written as so from equation 1 we have to find the value of the x. So then we will get here one function which is like a capital F, denoted with a capital F. And from equation 2 you have to find y value, that is g of x comma y. And consider it as 3, 4. Now write down. The following sufficient conditions are satisfied by the function capital F and G in the closed interval capital R of roots alpha comma beta. First condition, the functions f and g are and f and g and their first order partial derivatives are continuous. First order partial derivatives means dou f by dou x comma dou f by dou y, and next one is dou g by dou x comma dou g by dou y. Already మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో నేర్చుకున్నారు partial derivatives. Second condition is dou f by dou x modulus of dou f by dou x plus modulus of dou f by dou y should be less than 1. And similarly for g also, dou g by dou x plus dou g by dou y should be less than 1. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we have to go for the next procedure. Otherwise we have to stop. Okay, conditions. Let x naught comma y naught be the initial approximation to the root alpha comma beta alpha comma beta such that the sequence is x1 equal to f of x0 comma y0. Next we calculate y1. But that will be g of x0 comma y0. Next x2. Here f of x1 comma y1. And here y2. G of x1 comma y1. And so on. xn plus 1 which is equal to f of xn comma yn. And here yn plus 1 is g of xn comma yn. I will say in a clear way. Okay. If the sufficient conditions of the convergence are satisfied, then the roots are alpha and beta. Now listen. Now first of all we have to take that they give that two equations. Okay. So from the first equation we have to find x value. From the second equation y value. Okay. Next we have to check that f, g and the partial derivatives. And next this. But before that what we have to do? We have to know the converging point. First of all, while we are taking these equations, we have to know the converging point. I will say how to pick the converging point. Next here we have to choose. Here we can choose any value, that is our wish. By taking these values, now by substituting in the required values of the x and y, then we will get the required results. Okay. Now I am going to discuss the application. By this you will get the clarity, and it is a very simple one. Don't confuse. Okay. Iteration method idea ఉంది కదా. Iteration method లో pi of x equal to pi of x form రావాలి. అలానే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తాం మనం. Now write down first problem. Find a real root of the equation. Find a real root of the equations. Write as it is. సో మీకు ఏంటంటే సింపుల్గా ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి ఒకటి రాయండి. యూజింగ్ ద ఇటరేషన్ మెథడ్. So if they give the two equations, you have to follow this iteration method. Otherwise, in a previous classes we discussed simple iteration method. Now you have to follow that one. Okay. Now first of all, what I said, we have to know firstly the converging point. Okay. Now here solution. The converging, otherwise put x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. It is our choice. Okay. So simply first of all here I am putting that x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Then otherwise first of all here I am taking that, given that equation 1, equation 2. Okay. In 1 and 2. Then from 1 what we get? 1 minus 5 plus 4. Minus 5 plus 5. It is equal to 0. So here it is satisfying. Converging avadam ante oka constant value ki approach avali. Constant value ante maximum 0 no 1 no ala. Okay na? Maximum 0 తీసుకుంటాం. And from equation 2, 3 minus 10 plus 7. Again it is also 0. Therefore the converging point, మీకు 0 రావాలండి రిజల్ట్స్ x and y వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే, that is the converging point. The converging point is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. Okay. Now first step is finished. Now what I consider 3 and 4 na. So now from equation 1 what we can write? Y square. Okay. Minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Actually here we have to take that from equation 1 we have to calculate x na, and from equation 2 y. But coming to the equation 1 it is not possible na. So So that's why here you can take that this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. While you are writing, please write in order, ma. Then from 3y మీరు ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ ఎలా తీసుకున్నా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, బట్ ఏంటంటే x వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, y వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నా ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ దట్ minus 10x equal to minus 7 minus 3yx square. Otherwise from here also you can calculate x value, but you will get in terms of the root. Root అంటే మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి. 3yx square నేను ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఉంచేసి ఇది తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, x square ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది 10x minus 7/3y. ఇప్పుడు x ఈక్వల్ టు ఏంటి రూట్ లో వస్తుంది, అందుకనే నేను ఇది తీసుకోవట్లేదు. ఓకేనా? Now here directly x will be. So now here x is equal to minus common, then minus will be cancelled on both sides, then 1/10 of 7 plus 3yx square. Now x is equal to 3yx square plus 7/10. This is the value of the x and I am taking it as equation number 3. Now from 2, what we get? Y square minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. I have to calculate y. So that's why I am keeping minus 5y this side and the remaining values to the another side. Now minus common and cancel, then 5y equal to 4 plus y square. Then y equal to 4y square plus 4 by 5. It is nothing but y and it is equation number 4. Now what I have to calculate? Therefore x is equal to capital F of x y na. So now f of x comma y equal to 3yx square plus 7 into, of course here you can write 1/10 of this one. Now g of x comma y is equal to this one now, that is 1/5 of y square plus 4. Clear? Now f and g we have. Next what we have to find? Of course these two are continuous functions. Endukante every time every logarithmic function, every exponential function, every algebraic function, trigonometric functions, all these are continuous. So these are also continuous. Now dou f, we have to differentiate f with respect to x and with respect to y. Then dou f by dou x will be 1/10 will be constant. And next with respect to x now, x square derivative is 2x. Now 6xy plus 7 I have, it is 0. So that's why simply this one. Now 2 3s are 2 5s are. Now 3xy by 5. Next dou f by dou y. 1/10 is constant and 3y means y derivative is 1 with respect to y. Now it is 3x square. Now which is equal to 3x square by 10. Similarly dou g by dou x. What we get here? Here we don't have any x term. That's why it is equal to 0. Next one dou g by dou y. With respect to y means y square is 2y. So 2y by 5 because 4 is a constant. Derivative of a constant is 0. Now clearly I have that all the values. Next what I have to do? I have to check the sum of these now. So before that what we have to choose? We have to choose one point, initial point. Let x naught comma y naught is equal to what I have 0.1. Sorry, 1 is a converging point now. So I am taking that some near value 0.5 comma 0.5. Okay, now here we have to calculate all these values and first of all we have to check that these are continuous. Obviously we know first condition is satisfied. Enduku continuous? Already cheppanu. Every trigonometric, algebraic, exponential and all these functions will be continuous. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏంటి కండిషన్? సెకండ్ కండిషన్ modulus of dou f by dou x plus modulus of dou f by dou y should be less than 1. అవి చెక్ చేయాలి. So now here I am checking all those. Modulus of dou f by dou x plus modulus of dou f by dou y equal to here what we have to do at this point. So 0.5 comma 0.5. 0.5 comma 0. And the meaning of this one is we have to put that x value, y value as this. Now dou f by dou x means modulus of 3 into 0.5 into 0.5 by 5 plus dou f by dou y means 3 into 0.5 whole square by 10. Now calculate these values, ma. What you will get? So the first value will be 0.15, isn't it? Next the second value will be 0.075. Now what will be the sum? Sum is 0.225. Is a less than 1 or not? Obviously it is a less than 1. Therefore dou f by dou x plus dou f by dou y is less than 1. Next what we have to check? Dou g by dou x plus modulus of dou g by dou y equal to, at the same point, 0.5. Dou g by dou x is 0 plus modulus of dou g by dou y 2 into 0.5 by 5. Now it is exactly 0.2. Obviously it is also less than 1. So therefore what we can say, what we have to write here? Therefore capital, write down. Therefore capital F and G and the first order partial derivatives are continuous, and the second condition dou f by dou x plus modulus of dou f by dou y is less than 1 and modulus of dou g by dou x plus dou g by dou y is less than 1. Therefore the two conditions are satisfied. Now write down. Now we have to calculate the values of xn plus 1 comma yn plus 1. Okay, so now listen. What will be the formula for this xn plus 1? That is 1 by 10. Xn plus 1 means here we have to take this one, capital F. 1 by 10 of 3yn xn square plus 7. Okay, and I am taking one line between these. And next, what is the formula for yn plus 1? 1 by 5 of yn square plus 4. Okay, already what I have x naught. That means for n is equal to 0, then x1 equal to 1 by 10 of 3y0 x naught square plus 7. Then x1 equal to 3 into 0.5 into 0.5 whole square plus 7 by 10. Now calculate it, ma. Just multiply 0.5 whole cube into 3 plus 7 divided by 10. What will be the value? 7.375. First iteration, so that's why I am saying clearly by 10. Now it is nothing but 0.7375. This is the value of the x1. Now for n equal to 0, y1 is 1 by 5, 0.5 whole square plus 4. Then what we will get? It is 0.25 plus 4 by 5. The value will be 0.85. This is y1. Now we have the x naught, y naught. What is the x naught? 0.5. And here 0.735. So again we have to go for the next iteration. ఇక్కడ మీరు సింపుల్ గా ఇలానే చేస్తూ వెళ్ళిపోండి, then you will get the clarity. So now here x2. This is the first iteration, okay? x2 means what is the formula? 1 by 10 of 3y1 x1 square plus 7. Now 3 into, calculate ma, 3 into 0. Okay, now I am writing the value 7375 into 0.7375 whole square plus 7. If you want, then you can calculate separately. There is no problem. But while you are taking like this, then we can compare easily. Now calculate 0.7325 and here whole square. That means 0.7375 0.75 whole cube, okay, into 3 plus 7 divided by 10. Now it is 0.820339 marks, so I am taking 3/4. Actually here I am taking the values like this. Wait, I want to calculate it again. Sorry. Y1 we have now, the value of the Y1 will be 0.85. Okay, now just calculate 0.7375 whole square equal to, then you have one value, into 0.85 equal to, again into 3 equal to, plus 7 equal to, divided by 10. 0.838696. So I am taking that 0.8387. Next, y2, that is 1/5 of y1 is 0.85 whole square plus 4. Now calculate 0.85 whole square plus 4 divided by 5. 0.9445. Now compare again. It is 0.8387 and it is somewhat different. And here 9 and here 8. Again we have to go for the next iteration. So next iteration means x3 equal to 1/10 of 3 into y2 x2 square plus 7. Now 3 into, what is y2? 0.9445 into 0.8387 whole square plus 7 by 10. Okay, 0.9445 into 3, okay, into open bracket 0.8387 whole square plus 7 divided by 10. So I have that the value is 0.8993134 I have. So I am taking that simply 3. Next what we have to calculate? y3, 1/5 of y2 square plus 4. Now 1/5 of, what is y2? 0.9445 whole square plus 4. 0.9445 whole square plus 4 divided by 5. 0.978416. So 84 I am taking. Okay. So next value is, of course here also we have the difference, 9497. Again we have to go for next iteration. x4, 3 into 0.8993 whole square into y, 0.9784 plus 7. Okay, plus 7 by 10. Now calculate 0.8993 whole square into 3 into 0.9784 plus 7 divided by 10. Now I have 0.93738, so it is 74. Next y4 equal to 1/5 of 0.9784 whole square plus 4. Now calculate 0.9784 whole square plus 4 divided by 5. Now it is 0.99145, so I am taking 15. Okay, otherwise simply you can take that 14 also, there is no problem. So now here 97, now here 99, now here 89, 93. Again we have to go for the next iteration, x5. Now 3 into 0.9374 whole square into 0.9914 plus 7 by 10. Now calculate it ma. 0.9374 whole square into 0.9914 into 3 plus 7 divided by 10. Yeah, here we have 0.961348. So I am taking that 1 3 also. 1 3 we can. Okay. So now again here what I have? Simply I have that the value 9 is same. Again we have to go for the next iteration. Now y5 equal to 1 by 5 of 0.9914 whole square plus 4. Now calculate it. 0.99657. I am taking 66. Okay, here we got somewhat near value 99149966. But coming to here, no. So that's why here we have to go for x6 and x7. x6 and y6. I hope it is clear ma. Simple thing. Previous values ni function or substitute cheyali. Okay na? Now x6 equal to 3 into x square. X square is 0.9613 whole square into y 0.9966 plus 7 by 10. Now 0.9613 whole square into 3 into 0.9966 plus 7 divided by 10. Now it is 0.9763. Next y6 equal to 1 by 5 of 0.9966 whole square plus 4. .99864. Somewhat near value. Here we have 66 and just calculate. Up to here I calculated na. So now x7 is 3 into 0.9763 whole square into 0.9986 plus 7 by 10 calculated, and y7 will be 1 by 5 of 0.9986 whole square plus 4. Now calculate this. 9763 whole square into 3 into 0.9986 plus 7 divided by 10. 0.9855. And next one is 0.9986 whole square plus 4 divided by 5. 0.999440. So near value 86 means 9 na? 94 means obviously 9. So now here you can stop this procedure. Therefore, so now here 0.9, 0.9. That means those are very near to 1, 1. Firstly, what we consider the converging point is 1, 1 na? So now write down. Therefore, x7 and y7 are converges to the point 1, 1. Okay, so this is nothing but the method of iteration ma. Just simple thing. So method of iteration lo enti, x equal to f of x comma y equal to g of x comma y ravali. First order partial derivatives. Next we have to assume one initial value and next substitute in that. Next we have to check the condition. Next simply we have to calculate the root likes. I hope it is clear to you. And if you get any doubt, then please ask me. And today I am going to share the homework problems related to all the topics. Okay, I hope it is ma. And thank you girls, thank you everyone. And we will meet in the next class again. Thank you.